If you do not want to miss any upcoming videos, please do like and subscribe my channel. Also, do not forget to comment, subscribe in the comment box. I'll make sure to reply back. So without wasting time, let's start off with the data manipulation language. What we have under data manipulation language, it's basically inserts, updates, and deletes. What we do with data manipulation language, tables data can be modified. You can input a data, you can insert a data, you can update a particular row or a number of rows with an update statement, or if you do not want few rows, you can delete it. So let's switch to SQL Developer and see each of these statements. We'll be having our employee details table. First, we'll view the records, what we have under employee details. Let's go through it. So right now, these are the data that is present under employee details. Now, suppose you want to insert few records. Let us suppose at a time you want to insert a particular row with another name, salary, and address. So you can fire an insert statement that would be like insert into the table name, that is employee details. And then you'll write the values keyword and give your input. But this input should be according to the columns that you have under the employee details table. So first column is names over here, then salary, then address. So we'll provide some name. Let us suppose Harry, and the salary is 22,000, and address could be anything, Chicago. Let us insert this statement and view it. So one row is inserted. So this is one way of inserting data into the table. We can verify the data over here. Harry 22,000 and Chicago. Suppose you just want to insert records with the column names. Suppose you only want to insert a data in the name and salary and you do not want to provide the address. Then you can give the column names with the table name to fill the data. So let us see that also into employee details. We'll give the column names over here. Let it be, I want to provide only name and address. So name and address. We'll provide the values accordingly. Name as Shakil, and let the address be Delhi. Let's see if we can run this insert statement and populate the data. Yes, we're able to insert it. We'll verify the data. You can see that only name and address has been filled and the salary is kept as null. Now, suppose someone says that you want to fill this data also, salary also. So what will you do? You can simply hold Shakil and update this null value to something. That you can do with an update statement. So let us see an update statement, how you can populate the data. So we'll do an update table name. My table name is employee. Then you'll use a set keyword to set any particular value. So let it be salary for now. Let the salary be 10,000. Now here, if you'll file this update statement on employee details table with salary as 10,000, each and every record will get updated to 10,000. So you need to provide your where condition. Here our where condition would be on the value of name, and that is equal to Shakil. So let us fire and see. Right now Shakil has a salary of null. Now we'll update this value and verify the result. So here you can see that Shakil has a salary of 10,000. So similarly, you can populate the data of multiple columns. You just have to give a comma value. And let us suppose I now want to change the address of Shakil to Chicago, and the salary I want to upgrade to 50,000. Now let us suppose file this update statement. You see only one row has got updated, but two values has been updated. You can see that, verify that. Shakila has a salary of 50,000 and her address also has moved to Chicago. So these were the two insert and update statements that we can use. Also, you can even delete rows from your table. So how you can do that? You just have to put, so you do a select, right? Now suppose you want to delete the entry for Shakil and Harry from this table. So you do fire select also, right? Let's fire select star from table name employee details, where name we can give an in statement. So what in does is it will compare name with all the values that would be provided under this bracket. We can give Shakil and Harry. Okay, so once we give Shakil and Harry and fire the select statement, only two records would come up, Shakil and Harry. So now, to delete the statement, you don't have to do anything. You just have to remove the select star and put a delete. Delete from employee details where name is Shakila. Delete and see the record. The two rows have been deleted. We will check the select Shakil and Harry would be missing in the table. You can see these were the three insert, update, and delete statements. This is the data manipulation language. With this, you can change or modify a table's data. So, in order to grasp it, you could even fire these insert, update, and delete statements in your own machine. I would suggest you to go through this video and fire such insert statements, update, and delete statements. If you do want the queries, you can comment me on in my comment box, and I'll provide you the queries and the detailed statements too. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and stay updated with my upcoming videos. I have also prepared another section where I'll be discussing on the SQL interview questions. So you can go through those and prepare for your interviews. So thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned. We'll be coming up with more videos.